Good afternoon. To allow a car to enter the premises through a barrier or gate, the vehicle's license plate number can be used as an identifier. This allows the driver to stay focused on driving without having to present an access card. In Sigur, the process for working with license plates is as follows. The car approaches the access point. An external video system recognizes the license plate and then sends the information to the Sigur server. It checks whether this license plate number is in the database and decides whether to grant or deny access, after which it sends a command to the controller. I should note that license plate access in Sigur is a server-side function, and it will only work properly if there is a stable connection between the controller and the server. Let's take a look at how to set up license plate access in Sigur. To do this, you need to take the following steps. Specify the parameters for connecting to the video system where license plate recognition will take place. Link cameras from the video surveillance system to access points in Sigur. Add license plate numbers to the employee's profile and configure the rule that allows access by license plate. The parameters for connecting to the license plate recognition video system are specified in the client program under the File menu in CCTV settings. Let's select the required system and enter the connection parameters. We cover the integration with video surveillance systems in detail in a separate video. I'll be demonstrating using the tracer system as an example. Specify the following parameters: server address, user login and password, as well as the SDK password. You can also specify a value in seconds for the ignore repeated license plate recognition parameter. This is necessary, for example, if the cameras are installed in such a way that the license plate is first recognized by the entry camera, and as the vehicle passes through, the plate also appears in the field of view of the exit camera, both linked to the same access point. In other words, this parameter helps prevent false access point openings when a vehicle passes through. Click Apply and OK to confirm the settings. After that, you need to link the access point and the camera where recognition will take place. To do this, go to the Access Points tab, select the access point, and then go to the Video Surveillance section. Specify the direction in which access by license plate will be granted, entry or exit. I will be setting up access for entry. From the drop-down list, select the previously added server and the camera itself. Then, check the box for license plate recognition. Confirm the changes by clicking Apply. Next, let's look at how to enter a license plate number. Go to the Cardholders tab and select the Auto Park folder. In it, you can add a vehicle to the selected department using the plus button in the top toolbar, either a personal or company car. The vehicle card has a special field for entering the license plate number. To link a vehicle to an employee so that when a vehicle passes through, the passage of a specific employee is also recorded, Sigur uses an additional module called Auto Park. We have a separate video about it. You can also add a license plate number as an additional parameter for an employee. To do this, create it in the File menu under Settings and then Custom Parameters. On the Cardholders tab, click the plus button and enter the name, LP number. For the type, select String and make sure the Applicable to People checkbox is checked. Save the changes by clicking Apply and then OK. Now, an entry field for the license plate number will appear in employee cards. The license plate numbers themselves are entered in the same script, Cyrillic or Latin, as provided by the external video surveillance system. The case of the letters does not matter. If you need to assign multiple license plate numbers to an employee, you should name the additional parameter LP numbers and enter them in this field separated by commas. After completing these steps, the system is already ready to grant access by license plate number, since by default the settings are configured to allow access. However, you can also create a separate mode to regulate the rules for vehicle access by license plate number. To do this, go to the Rules tab. Using the plus button to add a mode in the top toolbar, let's create a mode of the second level or higher. Enter its name and click the OK button. Let's configure the main parameters, the validity period, which employees it will apply to, and at which access points, as well as set the schedule according to which it will operate. For example, let's specify that access by license plate number is granted every day from 9 in the morning to 9 in the evening. So, on the Days tab, we'll add 1 day. In its settings, we'll specify access for entry from 9 to 21 and access for exit from 9 to 21. Next, in the tab of the same name, we'll set up special rules for vehicle entry. In the sections Allow access by license plate recognition for entry and exit, we'll choose in which direction this rule will apply. In my case, for entry, we'll also specify the access security requirements, allow access by license plate only, or additionally require a card. We'll choose the first option and click Apply to confirm the settings. Let's go to the Monitoring tab to check the set access rules. There, we'll select the type of monitoring: video, photo, and events. When a car approaches, its license plate will be recognized, and we'll see events about this in the Event List field. Live video from the camera assigned to the access point will also start playing. The system will grant access and display the corresponding message in the Event List field, and after the car passes through, it will register the entry. So, we've looked at how to set up access by license plate number in Sigur. Thank you for your attention.